everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I'm going to work on this tile, which is pretty sturdy. I love this surface. Like, I think this is the perfect thing to work on because it's smooth but not shiny smooth, which is absolutely perfect for this kind of painting technique. My base coat is black and I used Sherwin-Williams satin, and I mixed some GAC 800 and what's else, Floetrol to thin it down a little. Today's pour I am going to use only two colors. One is the gold, which is 24K gold, and the second color that I'm going to use is going to be pearl white, which is from Folk Art. So those are the only two colors I'm using, and you will see that first I'm going to make 3 puddles, and I am going to experiment something new today, which is I just bought a little toy for myself, which is called the world's smallest blower or something. I saw that many people uses that, and I thought I should probably buy one and try one, because lately I'm just experimenting to go big. So if I can blow them with using this blower, that would be awesome. So that's what I'm trying. As you can see, it works, but of course it's something new for me, so I'm still practicing. As you can see, I got rid of the nozzle because I'm very comfortable blowing by my mouth, and it's just when you practice something with something new things, it's kind of difficult. So that's where I am right now. Not very happy with with how it's going, but I see the potential, and I probably need to practice a lot to make it work properly. So as you can see that these are my 3 blooms on 3 directions, and I would try to modify it. As I look at the composition, I see that yes, it's kind of centered the way I wanted them to center, but the white is not that defined as I blew it. So therefore, when I'm trying to modify, I'm not really being successful. As you can see that I'm trying to pull some colors, it's not coming as much as I want to. So I'm debating myself what to do, because I'm going to play with it a little more to see if I can take it somewhere. Even spinning is not helping me. It's kind of sliding out on the sides. So I put a little bit of paint at the center so it will stick. The tile will stick to my spinner. I just dipped some gold on my skewer, and I'm just trying to make some design. I'm just trying to make it work. Not very happy so far. probably I will redo the whole thing again. That's what I'm thinking. What do you think? Yep. I'm going to start all over. So this time I am going to use a big puddle at the center, and I will blow it, and I will try to modify it, and we'll see how it goes. On the sides, if I have a little bit of gold or white left over yet or still, that's okay, because when I spin, once I blow and everything, they will go away anyway, or they are supposed to. One thing I see with Sherwin-Williams base coat is, if I compare them with Walmart, it's more like creamy, puddingy kind of consistency. It tries to stay where you drop it. It doesn't try to spread out as Walmart. Walmart color paste ones is like, as you spin, it will run as much as it can if you want it to, or if you let it to. But this one tends to sit and it doesn't move that much with Sherwin-Williams. So this is this is a little difference I can see between the two paints or two brands. So as you can see, I am layering the gold and the pearl white 3 or 4 times. Then at the end of the day, I will put the black cell activator at the center. And then I will blow. Yeah. It works, but again, this is the first time I'm using it, so probably if I practice some more, I will do better. But for now, probably I want to stick to my mouth blowing. You have to tell me, what do you think? So now, once I blew, I am modifying my pour, and let's see how it turns out. I'm going to turn on some music and let me know what do you think, and if you share your thoughts, if you want me to see that I'm changing something, or do you want me to change to a different color or base, just let me know. We can experiment more. This is all about experiments, and I am learning as you are learning from me as well. So I am going to stop talking right now, and I will play some music, and hope to see you soon.